What's up, guys? Hope we are good. I want to share a few things with you guys. So I find it difficult to share um like my trades, the profit, the loss, and everything. But today I want to share something special. But before then, let me place this trade. 0.5 is good. Okay, I have to make like two entries on this trade. Okay, my stop loss should be just here. So I just saw the opportunity anyways now. So what I want to share with you guys is my history. Just I want to teach you something. I don't want you to be looking at the the profits or anything or the trades. I want you to learn what I want to share with you. So this is today, and if you go and customize this, you can go to this is today is 26th, and if I press OK, you are going to see that this is today. Then um if I customize again, go to 25th and press OK, you say this is yesterday. Okay, now I want you to pay close attention to this right here. Okay, now if you look at these profits or these losses, I want you to learn something from what I'm about to share with you here. If you looked at the first trade I took, I made like $25. The second one I made like $1 because I know the price actually pushed back to break even. Second and third trade was break even. Then the next trade I took was $30 loss. The next one $11 loss. I don't know whether you are following. The next one you have $26 profit. Now look at it here. We have four consecutive losses, 50 something dollars, 50 something dollars, 30 something, and 16. Now at this point, that is where you know or where you show yourself as a trader, when you are going to be having that consecutive losses. Now you don't just think that each time you enter a trade you are going to come out in profit, or each time you place a buy or a sell you're going to come out in profit. There are days or there are times you are going to be having consecutive losses, but because you trust the system, because you have tested this system, because you have back tested this system, because this is the system you trade, it will be very difficult, okay, for you to give up on that system. You stick to it and you are definitely going to be making money out of the system. Now if I keep going, you're going to see sometimes where I have two consecutive losses. Okay, sometimes you see another consecutive losses, but something you need to also pay close attention as I speak about the losses. I also want to talk about the profit. You see, each time I'm making profit, most time I'm making big amount, like bigger amounts when I'm making profits. Can you see? But in losses I have some of them that are smaller. This one. Okay, so that is how you keep winning. First, before you even start winning or before you start thinking or doing this, you should understand that first you need to know your setup. You need to understand these things. You need to first of all understand a setup, practice this setup, build confidence over and over again, and each time you are losing money, you don't just drop the setup, or you don't just jump into another thing. You already know that, okay, this thing is profitable and I will keep using it, because you have back tested this thing, you have traded this thing over time, and you have built confidence over time. So just three consecutive losses or four consecutive losses is not going to be your issues, because you trust the strategy. Now I want to share this. So most of us here, why I'm dropping this video is because I'm not really happy. We have been in this mentorship for a very long time. For those I know people I'm talking to, there are new people here, but for those who have been in this mentorship, you guys were talking about creating group. I've created group for you guys. Now it is time for you to apply. Don't think because you are in my mentorship program you are secure, that at the end of the day you must make money. Bro, you are not making any shit. You are not making any money. You can spend 2 years in my mentorship program and you are not making even $1. You keep losing money. You must put in the work. I don't know whether you guys are doing it behind the scene, okay, on your own. You are back testing, you are trying these things out, you are, trying learning on your own. But the group there is for me to see if you're actually practicing this thing. If you are making mistakes, I will correct you during the class. But I created a group. You said that we are not dropping message. I tried to create a group that you can drop messages, but till date, nobody have dropped any screenshot. Nobody have shown a kind of sign of seriousness, testing or back testing what I've been teaching close to 3 weeks now, or more than 3 weeks now. Nobody is doing anything about the setup, everything. Don't Why I'm saying this is that tomorrow you will, oh, I've passed through this guy mentorship program. I think I'm not seeing the profitability. How is it that he's only the person making seeing profit? Or this is your problem. You have to The opportunity you have to stay with. Okay, you guys think you'll have forever with me. Once it's 1 month, guys, we are done. Only what you need to do, what I'm open to, is just questions. Once I spent 1 month with you guys teaching you this strategy back to back, any question you did not ask me, I might not give your question that much time once I enter another section of mentorship. You have time with me, you have to backtest the setup, you have to trade the setup, you have to see how it works. Ask me any question, challenge me anywhere you see issues or anything within this period. Not just after the mentorship, after the class. You will have to wait till the next class, so I will start afresh again. And you then, that's the day you dust your laptop or you dust your MT5 or MT4 for trading again. It's not going to work. You can't make money that way. That's my own take. I don't want to spend much time on this video, but I just want to use video to, like, first of all, let you know that the strategy we are learning is profitable. That's number one. Then number two is that you have to put in the work yourself. Don't just think because you're in my mentorship program, you must make money. I'm not seeing the sign. Like, most of you, I'm not seeing the sign that you are actually taking this thing serious. I've said my own. I wish you grab from what I'm saying. I wish you I wish you learn from what I just said and take action immediately. Start backtesting this thing, start sending screenshots, start taking trades on demos, start asking me questions. That's exactly what I want. Start doubting, will I say doubting, or start investigating the setup. Bring question, bring your doubts. Let's trash it now that we are together. I know why I'm saying this, because with time, once I'm done with the setup, which we are done with the setup. We just want to do like some uh uh practicing and live trading. Once we are done with live trading, guys, we are done. You can only ask me questions, and for the fact that we are done, I must not answer your question the time you ask it. It can take me 3, 4, 5 days to answer your question, because I have other people to attend to. You guys had close to 3 weeks now to keep bombarding me with questions, asking me questions, sending me screenshot, everything. None of you are doing that. I've created a group for that. Nobody's doing anything. We are fine. Let's just why I'm saying this is, I'm not I'm not happy. I'm not happy, to be sincere. I am not happy because I expected more from you guys. Thank you.